adding a button to the section or page on Squarespace. So you log into your Squarespace account and then go to the page where you want to add the button. Then click Edit on the page itself in the top left. Hover over the section where you want to add the button and then click the Add Block button. Then the next step is select the button block from the menu and then customize your button here so that you can add the text that you want, like learn more or find rates, something along those lines. And then link your button with a URL that goes to the page you need it to. And there's different options, so you can even add like a download, like a PDF with a button as well. So just select file if that's the case, otherwise URL. And it can be internal, so you can choose a page, or you can do it external to another website. Then you drag your button where you need it to be and choose from the styles within your website, so primary, secondary, and tertiary, and then hit done and save. Make sure to check the mobile view because usually the buttons don't automatically go to full width, and make sure that it is in the spot that you want it. If you want to edit an existing button, then just navigate to where the button is on the page, click Edit as before, and then hover over the button and click Edit, the pencil icon. Then adjust the settings, change the text, update the URL, and modify the style you want. And then click Apply and save, and you're done.